Hey YouTube kittens, it's Cathy Cat, meow meow. I am currently introducing 3 dresses that are sold by Devilinspired. They're under $100 and this is dress number 2. If you're curious about the other ones, don't forget to subscribe. That button, click click click. And don't forget to tick the notification bell, king kong kong kong, so you don't miss any future videos. One of the 3 dresses I'm already wearing, it's lemon soda. But today we're gonna go for dress number 2. Let's unpack, let's unpack, let's unpack the back, which is still just as fat as when this dress was still in there, so still lots coming. Magic crinkles, magic crinkles, magic crinkles. I'm loving it. Are you loving it, baby? You're loving it, baby. Ta-da! Here is the lady of the day. I saw it, I wanted it, and now I got it here in my hands. Let's unpack, let's unpack, let's unpack the back. Let's unpack, let's unpack, let's unpack the back. Bear, bear. Let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. First of all, here comes the headpiece matching to the color of the dress. Of course, we have a lovely, lovely, lovely blue bow. And this blue bow shall go straight onto my lovely assistant, baby. Ah, yeah. There you go, baby. Ooh, oh. First of all, one bow comes out here straight away. Oh, 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 hey. Ooh, and there we go. Da, 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 da. Now, this dress is called Priesthood Apprentice by Infanta. So it's another indie brand here that we're featuring today, and the thing about this dress is what I really liked, it in any color it really stood out from the other dresses. Now I have quite a few regular patterns in my wardrobe, and usually what the director of Ashton will do, he will challenge me to get something that I don't have yet, or something that has like bold colors to stand out a little bit more in the crowd. So with this dress here, you have a bow at the front, which is this one here, that you can take off or put on. So I'm going to put this on once I'm going to wear the dress. This is a JSK, which is always good for washing, and you'll be happy to see it has a lot of shirring here at the back. So I got the M size. Generally when I order from Devilinspired, I get the M size, not the S size, because some of them are made for very petite Asian girls and I can't fit into that. What I really find cool is the red, this red and a kind of beige, red, yellow, beiges pattern that goes all the way around here on the top, and we have it repeated again at the bottom of the skirt. It's really good colors, it really pops, and it makes the whole dress just stand out so much more. So there we go, and there is no zip or anything on the side if you wanted like extra help for getting in, because there's enough shirring. I mean, like, look at this. But what also really got me with this dress is, well, we have the head bow, we have the dress, but also down here the print is really cool. I was really tempted to get this in a darker color, but since I already got this one here in a darker color, I thought I should go for a brighter color, because brighter colors are always good for shooting in Harajuku and similar things. So let me show you the print. Now it's called Priesthood Apprentice, which has like a magical feel, you know, the kind of like a little bit like that magical animation with Mickey. Oh, what was the name again? The Apprentice, the Magician's Apprentice, the Wizard's Apprentice, the Magic Guy's Apprentice. You know that one, the Apprentice. Not that one, the other one. What was it again? So here we go. It has a couple of real cool things going right up the top. So it's like loads and loads of like shrivelly doors. There's like a magical book with a large cross on. We have a time, like a sand clock, but it has a red inside. So we have the red used again. And then just like a cute bow with like a magical bell here. And that keeps repeating around the dress. What is different to this dress than to other dresses, which I should definitely note, is there are no waist ties here on this side. So usually I'm used to waist tied on the side, so I have to see how this will actually look on me once I'm wearing it. Oh yeah, I hope this will still be flattering on my waist when I wear this, because there's no waist tie. Ooh. But one more thing apart from the cachucha, which you can get for like a plus little, this one also has a collar. Now you generally can get the dress without the collar, but with the collar and the headpiece we're still under $100, so I thought it was worth getting. Ooh, that's velvety. Oh, if you like touching velvet, this is your thing. Touch the velvet, touch the velvet. it. This actually, I think, really makes the dress. I really wanted this dress with the collar because it really adds to it. To get the whole like priesthood feeling, because it comes around like this. Also, they have like some really nice thick lace going around here, and at the front the cross that's on here is actually an accessory cross. You can see it also has like a hoop at the top so it stays in place. There's a tiny little hoop here so you can close it together and make that work together with the dress. They had the collar in different colors and I was tempted to give it in a different color, but I got the beige one in the end so it matches more of my other dresses as well, but you can actually pick the color of the color to then make it work with other dresses even easier. How's this dress actually worn? I am curious too. So let's go and find out. It's time for the Lolita transformation time! Yay! Here we are, Priesthood Apprentice by Infanta, worn. So there we go. I really think there are two things that make this dress stand out and really pop, and that is the bow here and also the collar here. They make such a change, and I like how this is like la 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 la. Forgive me, Burando, for I have sinned with another Burando. Oh no. Right, Bear Bear? Oh, Bear Bear wants his bow back. So I must say it fits. Even without the waist tie, I have no problem. Let's see, look. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Even without the waist tie, it fits, right, Bear Bear? It fits, baby, it fits. So this was dress number 2. And guess what? The headset, this collar, and the dress are still in the whole set under $100. The only thing that I realized with this dress is it doesn't have an underskirt, but apart from that, I think it's really cute. I looked at all the cheaper dresses that they had, and this one stood out to me because this is gonna look really good in a city environment with all the colors and lights, and then there's the red, girls and guys, the red. On that note, that was everything. There is a link to this dress and other stuff in the link comment box down below, so if you want to check out Devilinspired, thank you so much, Devilinspired. So there's also my code in the box down below. The code is Cathy. Be sure to check that one out and just take a little bit off the price. Even though these dresses are all under $100, if they're not already on sale, you can still take a little bit off. Hey, and that's money saved. So kittens and bears, there's more coming this way, so don't forget to subscribe for more videos about Japan, Japanese fashion, and more cute stuff. And if you've already been with me, don't forget to give me a like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I have Instagram, I have Twitter, I have Discord, and I also have Patreon. If you would like to support me or just chat with me, be sure to find any of the other links in the description box. It'd be lovely to see more of you. Well, that's it for today from Tokyo. I hope you have a lovely day, and don't forget, life should be sweet, so let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Bye!